Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Prashant Shatra. Once again I'm coming back to you for the Python class, and this time I have taken another important topic, that is user input and user input in Tuple. So before going to start my class, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification, and you give the feedback, whatever you are liking, please write it. So let us start our topic today, that is input in Python using tuple. Means we want to feed data into the computer in tuple. We have seen that the list how to feed data. Now this time we are taking tuple. So tuple, you already have seen that how to create the tuple and how to write the data directly or initialize the data directly. And this time you see that whenever we are feeding data using the keyboard, so how you will do that, how you will write the code, then your code will work properly. You see that I have written tuple, that how you will feed the data tuple input using eval. Now this time I have used that eval function. Previously I have seen that that tuple, after creation we can give the value input or integers, that is without eval. But now this time you see that we are feeding using eval function. Eval is a very interesting function, it's a magic function called. So you can give integer, you can give that is a string, whatever you like you can give using the eval. Eval is interesting. You see that eval input, this is the normal input you have seen, that is in list. Whenever you did the list, that time you have seen input enter string. Using this we can accept the string in list. You see that the multiples value we will take using this eval, multiple values. Input enter without the loop. Without the loop we are doing this. So without the loop we are taking the multiple elements. So eval will help you that. Input enter string in tuple. So whenever you will write data using this function, how you will write the data? You will write, this is just behaving like a tuple because using this eval. How you will write? In this place, whenever this statement will come in front of you in the in your screen, then what you will do? You will write, suppose you are writing A B double quote comma, suppose C D double quote comma, suppose E F double quote. In this way if you write and if you print this T1, you will get this one as a tuple. What you will get? You will get this one as a tuple. So AB as a string and CD as a string and EF as a string. In this way you will get as a tuple. So if you write the code exactly like this, so what you will get? You will get the answer like this. Okay, so you see that that time you will get a single quote. Whenever the print section will come, it is a single quote will come. Now let's see the tuple 2, that is the next one, T2. You see that T2 eval input enter integers in tuple. How you will write the integers? Normally how you are writing that one, whenever you will get the statement, you will do suppose 45 comma 65 comma 72, press the enter key. So if you print this, what you will get? You will get 45 comma 65 comma 72. What is this? Using eval function you are taking multiple values from the user, means you are typing that value from the keyboard. So user is giving multiple values using that eval. We have not applied the loop, but whenever you need the loop, that time you have to write the code in a slightly different way. So now you see this is print T2, this one we are getting. Now next one T3 eval, again eval input enter decimal value. So you know the decimal value how you will write, suppose 5.7 comma 65.2 comma 7.2, enter. So what you will get? If you print this one T3, so your answer will be as 5.7 comma 65.2 comma and 72.7.2. This is the decimal value or the fractional value you can accept like this. And another interesting, you see that is normally, this is not talking, we are not talking about this tuple. This is a special function I'm showing, this one. So tuple, this eval can help you to solve any expression like this. Any expression, suppose you have given this statement. After seeing that statement, so user is giving this statement, suppose 45 plus 72. So this result, what the result will come. So if you print this result, so it is just like an expression, 45 plus 72, the result will come, it is 7 and 1 1. This will come. So 5 and 2 7 and 4 and 7, it is 11. So this is the answer we will get. So sometime we can solve the expression in this way using the eval. So now we will check this one in our computer. Okay, let's see. Now please check. Now please check. Then we will understand it clearly. You check that how I have written this. You see that the complete code I have written in this way. So T1, this is the T1 value, this is, then T2 we are taking integers, and here I have written one more extra line that whenever you are taking that value into T1, you are printing that one, and if you want to see that what is data type you have taken. So I have explained it clearly or not, that you can check using the type command, using the type function. This type function will help you to get what data type you have taken. So this is the type function. To T2, print T2 and type function. T3, print T3 and type function. This way, so T4, input enter expression, and this is the last one, it is the expression. I have not written the type function here, we can use. So if you run this, if you go for the test run, what will happen? I already have tested this one. So you check, this one is the tested result, check this is the tested result. You check from here, the code is here, that is I have taken, you check what are the values I have taken. The first one enter string, what I have given, that is I have given, you check the first one, this one, enter string in tuple. Enter string in tuple. You see that enter string in tuple, cat rat mat. So how it's showing that cat rat mat within that open and close parenthesis, that means round bracket. Then its class type. What type is this? Tuple type. Class is tuple type, means the data type is tuple. You see that data type is tuple. Cat, rat and mat, this is what type? Tuple type. Enter integer in tuple, 45, 47, 55, 45, 47, 55, it's a tuple. You see that it's a tuple. You see that the code whatever I have generated there, I will show you once again. So how I am giving this data, you see this one, the next time you see what is the integers, then what I have given, that is fractional value. This is the fractional value I have given. You see that this is fractional value, how I have given this, using comma. Then this enter expression, this is the expression, the result is coming like this. So you can understand, that is the code whatever I have written, that is exactly it is working without using the loop, using the eval function. We have taken multiple values in tuple. Let's see, I am giving some other values. I will check with some other values. Please check, go to the test run module. So you see that using enter string within double quote, suppose A double quote put a comma, then suppose B comma, then suppose C, enter a V I have written, this is C, enter, check, this is A, B, C, D. After giving the first line's data, this is the multiple values. Now enter integer in tuple. Integer I'll take any, suppose 6, 9, 6, 4, 3, 8, any values, 23. Check This is the values in tuple using eval. Now enter decimal values. Suppose 65.8, then comma 7.8. Suppose two values I am giving. Enter. This is what? Class type tuple. Now expression. Suppose 8 plus 4 plus 9. Enter. Check. This is the result. So if you test like this using that the eval, we can input the value into tuple as well as we can process that. So I think you can understand that how we are showing this one, how we can use that tuple, how can we take the data from the user, okay, using the eval as and then we can store that one into tuple, then later on we can process as per the different types of functions. Okay, so up to this much. If you are liking my class, please give a like and write the at least give the feedback that what you have understood. Okay, thank you very much. Up to this much is today. Bye all of you.